to our long wheelbase Fiat Ducato courier van, which is slowly being transformed into a camper van. We found a great local company actually, Caravan RV Camping. They've supplied us with a lot of our equipment. They sell the best quality equipment at a great price, fast delivery. They've been awesome to deal with. The phone technicians know the equipment well, and in particular with our electrical system we're looking at going off grid, and we've chose Enerdrive, Brisbane company, local company, and the technicians are fantastic, and we've gone with the 200 amp lithium battery. We've got the 2000 watt inverter, we've got the 40 amp DC-DC charger, we've got the AC charger. We've got on the roof Enerdrive solar panels, 480 watts of solar, and we've found that with the 2000 watt inverter it just runs our coffee machine and all our electrical appliances really well. We've got a 146 litre fridge, and it's all powered off the 200 amp Enerdrive battery, lithium battery, so it's fantastic. We couldn't recommend Caravan RV Camping highly enough. You know, they've been fantastic. But yeah, chasing any bits, look for those guys. Great price, fast delivery, and you can keep decking out your van and hopefully get on the road. Thanks for watching.